In the world of law enforcement, reasonable suspicion is a low bar. But for the person on the other side of the badge, it is a life-altering weight. On March 3, 2026, a Denver family learned just how fragile their peace really was. A routine knock, a child at the door, and a mistake that would spiral into a medical emergency. This is Jess Uncovered TV. We aren't just looking at the footage, we're looking for the truth.
Hey, where's your mother? Huh?
She's in my room.
Can you get your mother, please?
Yes.
Notice the tone of the interaction here. The officers aren't using loud commands yet, but they are using assumptive language. They aren't asking if she has the packages. They are asking where they are. You can hear the absolute certainty in the officer's voice. This is the foundation of a wrong door incident, the refusal to believe that the person in front of you could be innocent.
Hi.
Hello, Miss Watson.
How are
Do you
you?
mind stepping out?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Alright, so you know why we're here?
No, I don't.
Okay. You were in the mail room earlier, it's all on video.
In the mailroom?
Yep.
I was in the mailroom yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah. To get my package.
Alright. So either way, you're on video, you're taking people's packages.
I took mine.
No, you took other people's packages.
No, I took my package. I can.
You took
Oh, I
how many
just threw it away.
packages?
I took
Oh, you just
one.
threw it away? Just one? No,
Yeah.
you grabbed a bunch of packages.
No.
I literally just watched it. Man.
Can I watch it, please? Because I only took one package.
I'm not going to show you right now.
I took one package. I'm sorry. I took one, and I can show you what it is. It's right here. I haven't even opened it yet. I mean, I opened the package and threw the package away, but what I had in the package, I have
Let
it.
me ask my partner if this is one of the
I have the package, what was in my package.
So, back up.
And I don't wear a crop top.
What are you talking about? Oh, it looks like 3 packages.
Can I see that, please?
No, I can't show you that. It's
Well-
petty evidence in court because we have 2 options here, okay? I can give you a citation and release you back, or we're just going to go to jail. And
Well, you could give me a citation because I didn't do nothing.
Okay. It's not going to be long to get that.
No, I just want to know what is going on because I took one package and I know what I took. I bought some dirt from my plants and that's what I took. And that was sitting in there for a while. I had to go in there and go get it because it was sitting in there for a couple of days.
Wait here with her real quick.
I want to talk to somebody though because that's ridiculous.
What's your name?
He just told you.
Who else lives with you?
My kids.
Your kids?
Yes.
Who are the other kids?
What other kids?
Well, I just saw the one.
My daughter.
Your daughter.
And my son.
Okay. Okay, do they live here?
Yeah, I just said my kids. My kids are here.
Just because we got a call that someone's packages got stolen from
Okay,
the
but it
mailroom.
wasn't me. I literally took one package. That's it. I would never steal anybody packages.
Okay.
I'm on disability. What? I don't have time for that.
Well, okay. I got you. It's just we reviewed the footage and someone was seen going into this
I
apartment.
went in there yesterday to go and get my package. I was looking through them to see where my package was.
Okay.
I picked my package up and I left.
Gotcha. Okay.
I'm like, this is crazy because I know I did not steal nobody's packages. And if he's not going to let me see the video, that's ridiculous.
Well, it's right. That video footage is for them, right? And
Well, I
they
need
don't
to.
really allow
No,
anyone
I
else
need
to do
to.
that.
This is a pivotal moment in the investigation. The officer doubles down on the existence of a video. In his mind, he has already won. But look at the mother's reaction. It's not the reaction of someone caught. It's the reaction of someone gaslighting by reality. We are going to stay with this footage for a moment. Watch her face as the weight of being trapped by a lie starts to set in.
It's Xavier. The police are here trying to take me to jail saying that I stole somebody's packages. Yes, I went to the mailroom yesterday to go get my package, the dirt that I bought the other day, and they talking about they got me on camera stealing packages. Yes. It took me a couple of days to even go and get it because I can't walk over there. That's why I be telling them to bring it to the door. Like, this is ridiculous. Yes, from the mailroom. What the hell? I would never. Why am I gonna steal somebody's packages? That's stupid. And then I can't even see the video. I told them to give me a citation. I haven't done nothing. I've never been to jail. I've never done nothing. I ain't got no record. I have nothing on me. And now they want to take me to jail for some stupid shit. Like, what the f*** I want somebody's packages for? That's what I said. Yes. Because I just dumped the trash. I just dumped the trash. Yes.
Do you mind hanging up the phone?
Let me call you
Just so
back.
we can talk to you.
Let me call you back. Yes, let me call you back.
Okay. You're gonna be detained right now.
Are you serious right now?
Well, currently you are detained, right?
Yeah.
But I don't want you going back inside the apartment.
Well, my kids are in the house.
Is there anybody else inside with them?
No.
No one else? No other adult here?
My daughter,
How old is your daughter?
she's 18.
So she's old enough to
Well, I'm
take
gonna have to tell her though, because I'm not just gonna leave them like that.
Okay, well, give us a couple seconds, all right? Put your hands behind your back, okay?
We're not gonna, oh my God, are you guys serious?
Yes, ma'am.
They crazy
Step over to
me.
the
What are y'all doing?
They're taking me to jail because they said I did something.
Do anything.
Are you
really disabled? Why the f*** is she still practicing? Be so for real.
I'm not.
Show the video.
That's what I
Show the
said.
video then.
That's not for us to do here, that's
Okay,
for court.
I have never done anything. I don't have a record or anything.
Are we done?
Oh my God.
Go grab the car.
No, this isn't. What the f? I've never been to jail. Why? I've never done nothing. No, I ain't never done nothing.
It's okay. Just
I ain't never done nothing in my life. I don't have nothing on me. I have nothing. And when y'all, I'm suing y'all. No, because
Alright, that's
no,
fine. Ma'am,
this
step
is
back.
bull.
Step back.
I'm suing y'all. I'm suing y'all.
That's fine.
Because this is bullshit. Don't fucking talk to me. Don't say nothing, please.
Okay.
And you're
Take a seat.
roughhousing me. Could you stop?
I'm not roughhousing you.
You are.
I am not.
You are.
I'm just walking you to the car. That's fine.
While the officer takes this walk, the mother is left in the back of the cruiser. In long-form investigations, we often focus on the action, but it's the waiting that breaks a person. She is sitting in a cage, accused of a crime she didn't commit, while her children watch from the sidewalk. The officer is walking toward a correction, but for her, every second in that car is a second of increasing trauma.
Just for giggles. What the?
It is our clubhouse that you did not see.
You do.
Do you know the key fob to get in there? Does it match her?
Like for the door?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, like the information showing?
Yeah. Okay. The problem right now for our ID purpose is the person actually has pretty red dress and she doesn't.
Interesting. Well, the timing does match up. She only had the one, and I deactivated it under her name.
Okay.
So as of today.
And she's the only person in that apartment that has had that phone registered to be able to unlock.
She is the only resident I have assigned to that apartment. Whether or not she has unauthorized occupants is a whole other story. But yeah, she is the only person I have in there, and I have Ebony Starr-Holy
Okay.
is the name. So that's the legal name we have.
So I wonder where Watson came from. Maybe she saw something else. When you rewrote that down.
You guys went to 5307, right?
No, we're at 5111.
That would be why. Sorry about that.
Alright.
Not sure.
So 5307 is where we need to go.
5307, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Alright. Thank you for that. So
Yeah, sorry about
we have
that.
511 in handcuffs right now.
Oh, jeez.
Yes. And I'm wondering why she's crying and
I don't know how we got that
we will
information to you. I
amend that
apologize.
now. Thank you.
Muting for ulterior conversation.
The truth finally surfaces, not through a heroic effort, but through a simple clerical check. Apartment 5, not apartment 1. A mistake of a single digit. Listen to the shift in the officer's energy. The aggressive investigator is gone, replaced by a man who realized he just committed a massive liability. He has the truth now, but he's in no rush to deliver it to the woman he just traumatized.
Listen, I understand you're upset.
No,
okay?
you don't. I didn't take anything. This is so stupid.
Okay. Well, so you're just detained right now. Okay?
So let me go. This is dumb.
We're just trying to figure
Look,
out.
I am disabled. This is hurting me. This is hurting.
Just bear with us for right now, okay?
This is, you know.
What's hurting? Is it the handcuffs? You told me it's hurting. What's hurting?
I already have to have surgery on this damn arm, his hand.
Which hand is it?
My right one.
On your right one? Okay, where is it hurting? I wanna be able to help you out. Okay.
What's wrong?
Is it? What's wrong with your right one?
I have to surgery on it.
On the hand or?
Yes,
Your
my wrist. Sorry.
wrist? Okay. Here, I'm gonna grab your phone real quick.
No, leave my phone alone. It's fine.
So, let me check your cuff. So I can fit 2 fingers in your cuff, okay?
Look.
And that's more than policy, okay?
I need somebody to tell me something. This is ridiculous.
We're trying to figure that out, okay?
Because I didn't take nothing.
Okay. We'll let you know what we're gonna
My
do for
kids
you.
are probably freaking out. I've never been in trouble.
Okay. Just bear with us for real quick, okay? You're just detained. We're trying to figure things out, alright?
I didn't know you had to handcuff me to detain. This is stupid.
I'll just inform you, just because we're trying to figure things out right now, and you're going to be staying here. We got a call that there was a theft happening in the mailroom, and someone that's associated with this apartment went into the apartment with the packages. And that's it. We're just trying to figure out who took it, who's associated.
Okay. And so you haven't seen the video, you haven't seen anything like that?
So we saw the video.
Okay.
And as far as we know, it's someone in that apartment with dreads. And we're trying to figure out exactly who it was.
She doesn't have dreads either.
Well, I say dreads just because I don't know the actual term that the hair form is in.
Okay.
But it's just someone from that apartment.
Okay.
So we're just trying
she
to
is
figure
not
that
the
out.
only older individual that lives in this apartment.
Okay.
So be her and me because we both I recently went to get my curls, but I never.
Okay,
got any other
so
package.
you live here as well? Okay.
Was it that apartment number?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Who reported it? Was it anonymous or the building?
It was someone that was supposed to pick up their package,
Yeah.
and it wasn't there when they went to go pick it up. And that's as far as we know.
They're still looking at it and trying to figure it out. We don't
And
obviously want to take someone if they're
yeah, of
Right.
course.
yeah,
I
like, if
completely
that's not
understand
the case,
that.
But
Sorry, my
there was
mom.
a few packages that were taken, so they're just trying to figure everything out right now. I know obviously seeing your mom in cuffs is pretty scary.
No,
She's
exactly.
just detained right now, which I know feels like the exact same thing as being under arrest.
Okay,
but
I understand
it is
what
different.
it is
Yeah,
different.
It is different. It feels the
Um,
exact same. I'm sure she
Mhm.
feels like she, but
Yeah.
they're trying to figure out. They just didn't want her to run back and and kind of
Yeah.
But, yeah, no, totally. And I believe you.
I'm gonna take this
without
call.
knowing.
Sure.
Yeah, they're just.
Copy. Okay.
I was blood through it.
We were given bad information. I'm
Yeah.
not happy with it right now.
extremely unhappy.
Because, I mean,
We're able to
I know her,
simulate,
she
we're going to take you out of cuffs, okay?
Exactly.
Here you go.
But you got another apartment number, I assume?
Do you need help? Is that a yes?
I mean, I understand you have to do.
Listen, I want to get you back to your apartment just so we can get you out of here, okay? Do you need help getting out of the car?
Shitty information, yeah.
Just give her some space.
There you go. Come on out, man.
This is the part of the footage that is hardest to watch. A panic attack is a physical manifestation of psychological terror. Her body is in fight or flight mode, but she is locked in a car. She can't fight, and she can't fly. The air isn't actually gone, but her brain is telling her she is dying. This is the human cost of moving too fast in an investigation.
Be documented on what was given to us.
Okay.
What was written down on this.
Okay.
Okay, it'll all be documented.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's Miss Watson, correct? Okay. We were provided information from leasing that was obviously bad information. I went in and talked to another guy who works there. He said, "Uh-oh, that was wrong." So, yeah, that is why what happened. We will give you our cards. We apologize. We were not in trouble. This will all be documented on our end. We will do documentation. I will scan in this piece of paper that was given to me by the leasing agents, okay? All right? And let me give him
You're sure you don't want like EMS or anything right
Yes.
now? Or do you
Give me your.
case number that way if you guys need it for your guys' record.
Give me one of those.
A case number.
Case
That is
numbers
what
should be up top.
remains. After
Maybe that's just
18
fine.
minutes of footage, after a mother's
7.
panic attack
Oh, no,
and a
right.
family's
Okay,
terror,
yeah, I can do
Okay,
that.
sweet.
the department offers a slip of paper and a reference code.
All right.
The mistake was corrected in the system, but the impact
Alright,
on
and
this
that's all the
household
information
cannot be
we need?
filed
Yes.
away so
Yep.
easily.
Yeah, everything will be tied to that number that you put on.
All right,
Yeah.
thank you.
And yeah, don't hesitate to call if you do need EMS. Like we don't.
Yeah,
we don't
of
understand.
course.
This was a failure of due diligence, and a reminder that behind every wrong door is a human being. Thank you for watching Jess Uncovered TV. We'll keep looking for the truth, even when it's uncomfortable. Like, subscribe, and stay uncovered.